Discord, what did you give horns to this poor little bunny?
Fluttershy, let's a jackalope.
Hey guys, it's me Discord, and today we're drinking some tea with my buddy Angel. Yes, we are drinking some tea. Oh, look, it's Fluttershy. Well, howdy Fluttershy. You can call me Discord. Oh, why am I not human, you ask? Well, I have no idea. I just like to become the same old dragon that all of you know and love. My name is Discord, and I'm drinking tea.